So over here, you can see that I have this structure right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and merge out faces together of these two walls right here of certain section. So for that, I want to make sure that the faces are the same size. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and take the tape measure tool right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and then click hold and push this up and click hold and push this down right here. This is the reference point I want to make so that I can make the cuts. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the line tool right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click right here just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and click right there as well. Similarly, I'm going to go ahead and click it and then click on the edge right here as well. So you can see that I have made the cut, and I'm using the same reference point right here to go ahead and make out the cuts over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then you got the cuts. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the push and pull tool to go ahead and pull this out right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull this out as well, and you can see that they actually go ahead and snap out together once you do that. So you can see that this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around over here just like this, and then let's just go around and make sure they snap out together right here. So now once they go ahead and snap down, you can still see the cut right here. But to remove it, all you need to do is use the eraser tool right here and then erase out the edges right here just like this. I'm also going to erase the guide at this point right here, and then you can see that now it's one structure just like that easily. So that is how you can go ahead and merge out faces together inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.